In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename timelines in DaVinci Resolve. Renaming a timeline in DaVinci Resolve is a very simple task, but it's also an important one, especially if you're working on a project with multiple edits, versions, or sequences. Giving your timeline a clear name can help you stay organized, avoid confusion, and make your workflow much smoother as your project grows. To get started, go to the Media pool. This is where your project assets are organized, including your timelines. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, take a moment to locate the timeline you want to rename. In most projects, the timeline will appear alongside your other media, and you'll be able to identify it by its timeline icon and the current name displayed beneath it. Once you've found the correct timeline, look directly below it for the timeline's name. This is the text you're going to change. From here, double-click on the name. You may need to click carefully and directly on the text itself. After double-clicking, keep an eye on the name area until the text bar appears. That's your sign that the name is now editable. When the text bar appears, simply type in the new name you want to use for your timeline. Try to choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of that edit. For example, if you're working with multiple versions, it can be helpful to use names that reflect the scene, format, or draft version so you can recognize them at a glance later. After entering the new name, the timeline will now reflect your updated label, making it easier to manage your project. This is especially useful when you're switching between several timelines and want to keep everything clearly identified without opening each one individually. If the name doesn't become editable right away, just try double-clicking again a little more precisely on the text. Small interface actions like this can sometimes take a careful click, especially if you accidentally select the timeline instead of the name itself. And that's all it takes to rename a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick adjustment, but one that can make a big difference in keeping your edit organized and easy to navigate.